Hello everyone, Ali's here from SPX Financial Network. Today, June 5th, 2022. Today we are going to talk about the stock market and S&P 500 in this video. This is going to be our weekly analysis. As usual, we are starting with monthly chart, S&P 500. This trend line in monthly chart still is intact. And last week, we just closed months of May, which was pretty volatile months. As you see here, we have long lower shadow, long upper shadow, and the bad sign, I should say, is we are closed below SMA 20 on monthly basis. And this month of June, just started on on Wednesday, and we started volatile months again. And June has the worst performance in the history of the stock market. So if you look at the previous Junes, you will see stock market is very, very volatile. If price is up for the previous months, price is going to decline. If price is down, price is going to up. So right now, since the beginning of the year, we are declining, and this June could be followed through or could be upside. I don't know, but it's going to be very, very volatile. I tell you, we are at June 5th, we are at the beginning of the month, and this month is not going to be easy at all. However, for the bigger scale analysis, we are still above this trend line, but we are below this SMA 20. And I just want to show you something pretty interesting. This is the first time that I'm telling you about this, but this is very, very nice one. So here is the stochastic momentum index, which is kind of like a different with the regular stochastic that we are looking at. This is 2000. Year 2000, we just closed below SMA 20 for the first time, and stochastic signals a bull reversal signal. But market or S&P couldn't recapture SMA 20. So this signal is invalid just because market couldn't recapture SMA 20 for 3 times, just rejected off the SMA 20 and then bounce back down, monthly SMA 50, and then breaking through and then going all the way down to here. Here is the 2008 to 2007, 2008. For the first time, a stochastic just signaled buy signal here. You see, this is an oversold condition. And okay. So this is oversold condition when? Exactly March 2008, right? So March 2008, we saw the oversold condition. Market is coming down. Close below SMA 20, which is the cyan line. Let me just close the other ones. Just want to show you this. Yeah, this blue line or cyan one is SMA 20. This yellow line is SMA 50 monthly chart. So market closed below SMA 20, rejected here or bounced back off the SMA 50, going all the way up. Doji candle rejected. So this is goodbye kiss to this supply area, right? So this is very, very nice supply area breakout, and then market is coming down, consolidation, bearish consolidation, sharp decline to the downside. Just be careful, folks. When we reach out to the oversold condition, it doesn't mean that this is buying signal. We are below SMA 20. Let's confirm it. Let's this signal be confirmed by price action. Don't jump on board just because we are kind of close to the SMA. We are kind of close to the oversold condition in the stochastic, but we are below SMA 20. We need to go above SMA 20. So if you look at my analysis that I posted in my channel, we need to close a monthly candle, and this is very important, folks. Very, very important. We need to close monthly candle above this level, 4,229. Let's say 4,250, just for sake of safety. All right. So if we close above this in monthly chart, and if we keep holding above this in monthly chart, that would be a good sign for bulls. Otherwise, this is going to be just dead cat bounce, and market can just go choppy and sloppy and get ready for another sharp sell-off, probably to this level, which is going to be next level. This is a demand area. Top of the COVID crash, just prior COVID crash, consolidation, breakout. So this is going to be level probably market is going to test. However, that was the test, but was successful enough, but it was not that enough to going back above SMA 20 on monthly chart. So this is very, very important. Just pay attention to this monthly chart. No one is paying attention to this higher time frame, but this is very, very important for your timely perspective. Okay, so for your overall view, you need to understand, as long as we are below SMA 20, this is not a good sign for the bulls. This is bearish. This is absolutely bearish. Any bullish momentum is going to be sold by institutions or retail investors. When we recapture SMA 20 on monthly chart, stochastic signals for bull reversal, and we are closing above this, so that is going to be nice confirmation. Don't be first one in the dance area. Just wait for confirmation, and the confirmation is going to be, we close the month of June, because we are at the month of June. We close in month of June above this SMA 20. When we close above SMA 20, that is going to be bullish signal, and just be safe for any correction you need to buy. Otherwise, this is just a dead cat bounce, okay, in monthly chart. And very, very important, folks. Just be careful and pay attention to this. All right. Okay, in weekly chart, as you see here, we are showing a stochastic bull reversal, a signal here. Nice reaction to oversold condition in RSI. MACD is sloping up, still not buying signal from MACD, but this is a nice one. This is kind of making a bullish consolidation. If this wick is positive, which means this one needs to go back above this here. So that would be a nice bullish consolidation. So this is a pole, nice weekly candle, nice white wand soldier in weekly candle, which rarely seen in the stock market. So this one is another one, but it has followed through. Last week didn't have followed through, but make sure we are consolidating here. If it consolidates here for the month of June, I would say that is going to be a bullish signal, just because this weekly reversal is setting up for a nice, at least going back to 4,400. All right, so 4,400, around 4,300, 4,400, which is going to be top of this trend line or wedge, and let's see if it can break through or we are getting to another short position. I'm not sure, but for now, even taking short or long position, it's kind of like a risky. I would say we are close above SMA 100 in weekly chart, but we need to recapture these two important moving averages here, and we need to close above this trend line to see a melt up to the upside. Otherwise, it's just going to be playing a range into this candle. All right, so that is very, very important for the weekly chart. But for now, I'm looking for consolidation. So consolidation is very, very important for the weekly chart to make a bullish or bull flag or bullish consolidation to go into the upside. All right. Okay, daily chart is very, very important as well. Just daily, because lots of people are looking at the daily. No one is looking at weekly or monthly. Daily, we are seeing a nice coming back off this low, as we just posted up a while ago. And right now, we are recapturing SMA 20. However, I'm looking for maximum upside to here, probably. However, in daily chart, all the indicators, not all of them, two of them, stochastic and MACD, signals for sell. This bullish consolidation, if we close below this wide range bar, then we are going back down there. Okay, so watch out for 4,000. If we lose 4,000, then we are going all the way back down there to 38, 3,900. Okay, so if it consolidates here, which our weekly candles or weekly charts tells us, If it consolidates here, that is going to be a good sign for another spike up to 43.75 to 44.50. And look at that. So here, this area, this is very, very nice supply area. Okay. So this supply area is 4300. And if you just take a Fibonacci here from this high to this low, we are just getting close to 50% Fibonacci. We are getting close below 38%, which is not bullish at all. So we need to stay above this. So probably today or tomorrow, if we can come back above this, so we need to close above a 50% Fibonacci. Then we are heading to 61% Fibonacci. I would look at, for example, short position here. Look at this box here. So if we get there, probably I'm going to just hedge my portfolio a little bit, because we bought a lot stocks here with our members as well. So we need to hedge ourselves, or kind of like probably rebalancing the portfolio with easing off some positions, getting back to the short, or just raise the cash. I don't know yet, but we will make a decision based on the market situation. But right now, market, this is the futures market, opening in slightly negative, but it doesn't matter for now, timing perspective. Right now it is consolidating. Just make sure that we are closing above these two Fibonacci levels. I just want to show you pretty interesting, just because everyone's talking about this as well. Here is the head and shoulder that everyone's talking. So this is a shoulder, this is the head, the big head, and this is the shoulder coming down, and everyone's talking, okay, this neckline is broken. Right now we are getting back above this neckline, and this is, to be honest, very, very bullish, just because this pattern has been failed. But if we get close below this neckline again, that would be a bull trap. So for right now, I'm not taking any position, as I said in weekly chart as well. I'm not taking any position right now, just because we are in middle of the sky. We are in no man's land. We are not the bottom, we are not at the top. However, in daily chart, stochastic signals for a bear reversal here, and MACD is kind of like sloping down. So probably we are getting back down there. But again, in weekly chart, we need to see how weekly candle closes. If we get close below SMA 20 in daily chart, I would say the bull case is over, and we are going to down at 3800 and probably test lower low as well, so we can just come down to 3800. But right now we are in no man's land. So I would suggest just watch the price. Keep an eye on the stock market, different indexes. This is just S&P. Keep an eye on NASDAQ, big caps. See how they're doing. Just look at the semiconductors, look at the Amazon, look at the FANG. See how they're doing. If they're doing okay and the other sectors are not fine, so probably this is just going to be a correction within the uptrend to this area as well. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button. If you have any question, please put your question down there in the chat box. I will answer all of that, and subscribe to our channel. This is the least support that you can give us. Have a fantastic day. See you on the chart. Bye bye.